Tired of dealing with driver conflicts, performance drops, or just plain outdated software? Well, let's get your Nvidia drivers completely uninstalled, ensuring a smooth path to a fresh, clean install, or help you troubleshoot those annoying PC issues. First, we need to launch the Device Manager. Click on the search icon in your taskbar and type Device Manager. Click on it to open up the Device Manager window. Locate the Display Adapter section and click the little arrow to expand it. You should see your Nvidia graphics card listed here. Right-click on your Nvidia graphics card in Device Manager and click Uninstall Device. A confirmation window now appears. Make sure the tick box that says Attempt to remove the driver for this device is also checked. Then, click Uninstall. Your screen might go black for a moment as the driver is removed. Don't worry, this is perfectly normal. Now, it's time to clear out any lingering remnants. To do this, type Apps and Features in the search bar and click to open it. You will see a list of all your installed programs. Check if Nvidia has any related programs installed. These include programs like the Nvidia Control Panel, GeForce Experience, and associated PhysX software. Select each Nvidia-related entry and click Uninstall. Follow the uninstallation prompts. Be patient, it may take a few minutes. Once everything is uninstalled and completed, restarting your computer is recommended. This ensures that all changes are applied and your system is clean. That is it. You have now completely uninstalled your Nvidia drivers. If you were planning to install new drivers, you are now ready to go.